languages is learned best when you are 2 to 13 years old. And it is even widely accepted that children should be introduced to sports, music, and language early in their life, and for swimming as early as 3 months old. Wait a minute, I'm not 13 anymore. So is it too late for me to become or be better at foreign language or music? Battling over my quarter life crisis, I ponder, is it too late to be a public speaker? I often have this conversation over my head because there are numerous things that I want to master. And I'm a Pisces who dreams a lot and wished if I had learned a lot of things during my childhood, which I didn't, because I was told that extracurricular is extra, which you don't need to focus. And then moved on with that mentality and completed my bachelor's in engineering. Right after I was able to earn for myself, I felt the freedom to stop dreaming and start ticking on the items from my bucket list one by one. With my very first salary, I bought a bicycle for a child, which was within me, and learned to ride it when I was 22. Is it late? Who cares? I learned to ride it within 2-3 days. That boosted my confidence that I can learn anything at any age. Then there was no stop. I learned swimming, dancing, singing, table tennis, and even thought of learning to play pebbles because I didn't during my childhood. Then thought, let's leave it because I could not find pebbles anywhere. In the search of inner peace, not pebbles, I started trekking and traveling, which I didn't know I would enjoy so much. Who don't enjoy travel, right? However, there is one thing people don't enjoy or get fascinated during their childhood, but I did, and that was yoga. I was fascinated and had a soft corner for yoga from my childhood because I was seeing my granny doing yoga every day with her blissful smile. But as I forgot it eventually because I was more focused on my own career building in engineering. So thanks to lockdown, that gave me a lot of time to utilize and became 200-hour certified yoga teacher. In that training period, I learned that my life principle of it's never too late to start anything got stronger. By seeing a lot of middle-aged women eager to learn yoga and enroll there at that age. Amidst of learning and enjoying my life, my manager asked me to give a presentation to the newly hired employees. I immediately flashed back to the moment where I was standing in front of a school assembly reading a Himalayan Times. Everyone was staring at me just like this, like I was a zombie. Maybe I looked like that one because I was nervous and my face was red as hell. And my hands were sweaty, it was shaking, and heart was vigorously pumping. I felt like it would come out of my mouth. I tried to avoid the situation and lifted my newspaper that was in my hand and tried to read the headlines as quickly as I can so that I can get out of that center stage. That 6th grade Sanjana never took the courage to go to that stage again and consoled herself by saying, I might get better when I grow up. And there I was, grown up, but no drastic improvement at all. I was still nervous, I was still struggling to articulate my presentation about the work I do every day. I was really having a bad time at that day. On that day, I could not even sleep properly. It felt like a lot of questions were clouded on my head, saying, is it too late to learn a foreign language or be a public speaker? Will I always have to face this embarrassment in my life? Will this guilty Sanjana will be there even after 10 years from that time? As it is said, every cloud has a silver lining. That embarrassed day made me realize that I was just regretting all these years and not making a deliberate effort to improve my public speaking skills. I took a place that day that I am going to make some effort and do anything that is needed for me to hone my public speaking skills. That might not be as quick as learning bicycle, but because of my life and work engagements. But I was ready to persevere. Then I started watching plethora of TED Talk videos and even said yes to the office conferences, though I was not ready. but pushed myself to see a little bit of improvement. And yes, I did a little bit of improvement by saying that public speaking speeches to say yes was a bit easier for me. And then found one public speaking institute that honed my skill for 20 days, and it was quite helpful. That's the reason I'm here today with the confidence that I possess today. So it takes continuous practice to become better at anything, and that's one of the reasons I'm here today. With a slow but a steady start, I started learning new skills one by one, and also started my own yoga YouTube channel last year. The questions will be there, but it takes continuous practice to become better and be able to impassion your presentation. And definitely, it's never too late to start anything in life. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for resonating. It requires deliberations to get better.